Hello, I'm Orlando Valdez and I'm modern language student. So I'm gonna read the basic concepts in phonetics. I'm gonna start with language. Language assists in arbitrary conventional spoken manual signed by algorithm symbols by means of we human beings as members of social groups and participants in its cure to express themselves. The fusions of language include communication, the expression of identity, play, imaginary expression, and emotional release. Linguistic. Linguistic is the hidden story of language. The word was first used in the middle of the 19th century to emphasize the difference between a newer approach to the study of language. That was the developing and the more traditional approach of philology. What is phonetics? Phonetics is a branch of linguistics that comprises the study of the sound of human speech. It involves the physical properties of speech sounds, their physiological production, acoustic properties, auditory perception, and neurophysiologic status. Phonetics study everything related to the production and perception of human speech sounds. Branches. Phonetics is divided into three branches. Number one, articulatory phonetics, the study of how speech sounds are produced by the human vocal apparatus. Number two, acoustic phonetics, the study of the sound wave made by the human vocal organs for communication. And number three, auditory phonetics, the study of how speech sounds are perceived by the ear, auditory nerve, and brain. What is phonology? Phonology is the study of how sounds are organized and used in natural language. The phonological system of sound language included an inventory of sound and their features and rules which specify how sounds interact with each other. Phonology is just one of several aspects of language. It is related to other aspects such as phonetics, morphology, syntax, and pragmatics. The illustration below shows the place of phonology in interacting hierarchy of levels in linguistics. Phono is like sound plus logic that is like a story of. Phonology studies everything related to the standard that rule possible combination of phonemes in a given language. What is the difference between phonology and phonetics? Phonetics and phonology are two fields dedicated to the study of human speech sounds and sound structures. The difference between phonetics and phonology is that phonetics deals with the physical production of these sounds, while phonology is the study of sound patterns and their meanings both within across languages. Comparison phonology and phonetics. Phonetics is the basis for phonological analysis. Phonology is the basis for future work in morphology, syntax, discourse, and orthographic designs. Phonetics analyzes the production of human speech sounds regardless of language. Phonology analyzes the sound patterns of a particular language by determining which phonetic sounds are significant and explaining how these sounds are interpreted by the native speaker. What is a phoneme? Definition. A phoneme is the smallest contrastive unit in the sound system of a language. Discussion. Phonologists has different views of the phoneme. Following are the two major views considered here. In the American structuralist tradition, a phoneme is defined according to its allophone environment. In the generative tradition, a phoneme is defined as a set of distinct features. What is an allophone? Definition. An allophone is a phonetic variant of a phoneme in a particular language. Example: P and PH are allophones of the phoneme P. T and TH are allophones of the phoneme T. For example, city, city, and city. The phoneme represented by the grapheme T is an allophone. Neither, neither, and neither. In the are puerca, puerca, and puerca. What is an allomorph? Definition. From the Greek prefix allo, which means other, and morph, which means form. Therefore, the term allophone refers to other form of a word. For example, strong, strange, long, length, true, and true. For further information, live, lively, low, lowly, lawless. Here is a chart that compares phones and phonemes. A phone is one of many possible sounds in the language of the world. The smallest identifier unit found as a string of speech produced in a definite way, represented between brackets by conventions. Example: phi, j, o. A phoneme is a contrasted unit in the sound system of a particular language. A minimal unit that serves to discuss this between meanings of words, pronounced in one or more ways, depending on the numbers of allophones represented between slashes by convention. Example: phi, j, o. Minimal pair. Examples: minimal pair. Here are examples of the phonemes R and R occurring in a minimal pair. Read, lip, hot, dog. Car, scar, truck, trunk. Now, now. My example is cat, cat. The phoneme R and R contrast in identical environments and are considered to be separate phonemes. The phonemes R and R serves to distinguish the word rib from the word lip. Homophones. Word sharing the same phoneme, parents, and pronunciation. Examples: night, night, bye, bye, see, see, sir, sir, two, two, life, life, ma'am, ma'am. My example is blue, blue. Homograph pairs of words that spell the same but not share the same pronunciation. Live, live, record, record, lead, led, oyet, oyet. My example is letter, letter. Homonyms. Words pronounced and spelled the same, meaning depends on context. Right, right. Fine, fine. Blue, blue. Please, please. Can, can. Bat, bat. Fly, fly. Watch, watch. What is a grapheme? Grapheme from Greek, grapheme, a letter in linguistics. It is one a set of orthographic symbols, letters, or combination of letters in a given language that serve to distinguish one word from another and usually correspond to or represent phonemes. The F in phone, the PH in phantom, and the GH in loud. In the I, set, synchronous, busy. In the U, book, soup, dwarfs, suit, suit. My other examples is pad, pad is a homonyms. And this is all. That was my speech of basic term, and see you.